Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adding file or folder shortcuts to the home screen of your Samsung phone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If there is a file or folder on your phone that you use frequently, creating a file shortcut on your home screen is a great time-saving option. To create a file or folder shortcut, open the My Files app and locate the file that you would like to create a shortcut for. Hold down on the file or folder to select it. Then tap on the 3 vertical dots More button in the bottom right corner. Choose Add to Home Screen from the menu that appears. Tap Add on the pop-up. Your file or folder has now been added to your home screen. You can hold down on the icon and drag it to wherever you would like to place it on the home screen. You can now tap this shortcut whenever you would like to open your file. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung tips and tricks.